So, dito sa imuhang master's bedroom. Actually, dako siya. 2 windows. 1 door to the veranda. And this is your washroom. So 2 windows. And the view is this one. This is the view. This is the door to your veranda. Or terrace ba. Let's take an exit. Then, there, I don't know, but this is really big. Like, it's my first time here. And then, the first thing I said was, whoa, it's big, char. Merkana ka, girl.
So first off guys, i-introduce na ko sa inyo kung kinsa ato ang virtual host in this video, none other than MG Flores. I'm just gonna show you around right after this.
Hi, Auntie L. So I'm gonna give you a virtual tour of your house. Today is May 13, and yeah, this is your house. Okay. And then this is me standing there. This is your main door. See that? Okay. And then that's the way underground. Then this is your supposed to be sala, I guess. Your living room. And then your dining. Nya, naadiri ang window. Your master's bedroom. And then another room right here. Right there, one hata. Then another room sa diha. So, dito sa imuhang master's bedroom. Actually, dako siya. 2 windows. 1 door to the veranda. And this is your washroom. So 2 windows, and the view is this one. This is the view. And then another window, which the house of Ate Bilin can be seen right there. And then this is the door to your veranda or terrace ba. So there. Let's take an exit. So, balik ta. Then, master's bedroom. So, this room right here, one window, 1 door that would proceed to the veranda, the terrace, or whatever you call it. Yep. So, I'm gonna show you how big this is, if I can, for a while. I don't know. How will I show you? It's here. I hope you can see this. Or whatever. Basta te, mo na siya te. Na, this is the wall ha. Oh, pilit ka sa wall, and that's it. This is it. That is, I don't know how far. Okay, then the CR with 1 exhaust, I don't know, window, or if magbutang ka og exhaust fan or something. That's just it. Mga uskadupa nako, usakadupa. Uskadupa nako. Next, just right across the this room. One door access to the terrace. Very bugnaw. And just a small space of terrace. Okay. Next. So, from this room, the comfort room, Lola's room, let's proceed to the kitchen. This is supposed to be your dining area, right? I don't know, that's what they said. Then this is your kitchen. So, one window, and in front of that is your garage. One door, and then some windows for the kitchen. And then this is your pantry. This is your pantry. I guess the size of this is just a little difference from your comfort room. And then a door. Access to the laundry. Right there. Laundry. And then this is the stairs that you can go down to the basement. Later mo, anata, pwede ko manaog diri kay murag baguhay pa ni siyang gitsurva. Matuwad niya tadi ha. Okay, kaputas ba? Ato na ta balik sa sala. This is your sala. Actually, this is everything's gonna be the sala. And then dining. And then sala. Oh, hi Alba. So, mo ato na ta sa ubos, ate. Ikaw lang, Actually, pwede na siyang butangan diri og railings. Or, wako kay baw. Oy, wako ito ko kay baw. Char lang niya ako, So, kailangan pa ta maglimbo rock diri. Kaya na ata, okay. There you go. So actually, this is unfinished. Like, napa may free bananas right there. Pwede pa ta mang-harvest rig banana, te. Dako kay siya. Promise. Kinadak-an sa tanang-tanan. So underneath the stairs is just a free space. It's a space where you can put stocks probably, or I don't know. And then, this is actually pretty big. Right there. That is the ceiling here. And I like it. Yeah, it's very industrial-like. So, there. Then, there, I don't know, but this is really big. Like, it's my first time here. And then, the first thing I said was, whoa, it's big. Char. Merkana ka, girl. So, mo to siya tinay, mga saging diha, unya. Window na siya. Nya mo na kung giingon nga hagdanan, katong ganina. Nga access to the ground floor. Ang hagdanan. It's all windows. See? Okay, ako ka baon sa may tabo diri, pero dako jud kay siya. So, yep. Windows, then stairs. That's just pretty it. Okay. Okay, so saka na tagbalik. Okay. So, the roof. It's pretty high. Like, yung dyan ko nga, pwede pa na siya kabutangan ng attic sa babaw. Okay. It's really high. Nya, kung magbarog daw ka sa diya sa babaw, kabarugan ko siya tao. Dili siya masungko. Yeah. I'm not shotty. This is your garage. Nigawas na ko. This is your garage. There. And then, palapad siya. So, kung musod ang sakinan, muragikan dito, mo na, kasada. Murag mo ari pa diri. Nya ana dito parking, dito ang ulo sa sakinan, dito ang lubot. Basta ka natin. Tasa do. Tignita do. Kana siya mo na underground. Then underground nga window. Yan na to ang stairs. Oh. Ito ang stairs. There you go. So the roof. That's the kitchen windows. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the virtual tour at the Elma, and probably Uncle Keith and Daniel and Braden is also watching this one. I miss you all guys, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye. That's your house.